Good morning, everyone. Let's get this bread. So to start the day off, we just got ADP non-farm employment change and advanced GDP. We've already got that. And then at market open, we have pending, or 30 minutes in the market open, we have pending home sales and crude oil inventory. Going on, looking at earnings for the day. All right, so we got, what's today? All right, so we should have got Google last night. I actually haven't checked in with those. We'll have to do that during the day. But today we got Microsoft, we got Meta, we got Lilly, we got Caterpillar. What else? I feel like we have some other big ones too. I think I just saw we got DoorDash. And yeah, that kind of looks like it does it for the day. And then Apple and Amazon coming up tomorrow. So yeah, we'll have to be on the lookout for those. Going on looking at the charts. Try to zoom through again today because I kind of slept in. All right, so once again, we're still kind of in that same little range from yesterday. We did come in and close that gap like we needed to. So now kind of looking at the range, I would slide this up a little bit, have support closer to that $80 level, still have resistance up. We'll say we shifted things up about 20, 30 cents. So our resistance is going to be around 583.30. Support is going to be around I guess 579.43. Qs is legit at all-time highs right now. I'm not sure how valid this trend line really is. I would say there is a new trend line and it looks like may have found one to the upside. But looking at the Qs, I would kind of look at something like this for upside resistance, see how that holds up. Maybe try to extend this out, see how far we can go with that. And then looking at support, let me drop down to a 1 hour. Oh, let's see how something like that holds up. I don't know. I don't know how well that's gonna go, but we'll be on the lookout, see how that holds up. All right, going on looking at Tesla. Tesla is finding a lot of support in this, I guess 555. Here, let's draw a line there. Here, let's see if we come back. Tesla is finding a lot of support at this, I guess 553 level all the way up to this 160 to 553. So we're gonna draw resistance up at the about 561. I'm gonna set an alert because I probably want to ride whatever happens if we get a break of either of those levels. Going on looking at Nvidia. Nvidia has a lot of support, larger support at about 138.40 because that's where the 200 moving average is. The current resistance I would call 141, but right now they're ranging between about 139.50 and 141. That's on the 1 hour. Let's check out the 4. So yeah, Nvidia is really just ranging between about 142, 138. And then Meta, hey, they are still making their movement for earnings, as one would expect. I did close out my position towards the end of the day yesterday. I don't want to play with it into earnings, but yeah, Meta is starting to make some moves. Meta is technically at all-time highs right now, so that's looking good. And then let's see, Bitcoin, they're once again doing their thing. They were so close to all-time highs yesterday. They come take out this 73,800 level. Hey, they got the all-time highs right there. And then let's see, taking a look at AMD, they just had their earnings. So they kind of sold back off and they kind of sold back off down to this level. To me, it's a potentially good area for upside. I kind of like it. They're currently trading below their moving average, but they have, like on the lower time frame, crossed up. So that's looking good. And yeah, I'll continue to watch this one today as well. Looking at Palantir, let's go back to the 4 hour. Palantir is still kind of trading in this range. It looks like they're building a good amount of support at this 450 level. Could end up consolidating till they come and touch this trend line, so be on the lookout for that. And last but not least, Apple still kind of consolidating, but still kind of moving up as well. So we'll call resistance on Apple about 234. Support is probably about 231. And then PayPal Low key still consolidating in the range it's been. It kind of went crazy for a day or so, but it's still consolidating in the same range, still in the uptrend, so it's doing its thing. SoFi, kind of similar story to PayPal a little bit if you think about it. Then last but not least, we have the Dixie. Dixie's up a little bit on the day, so it would be a little bearish. So yeah, that's going to be your watch list for the day, family. Let's get this bread.